What's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my quick product breakdown on this upper intake plaque from SVE designed for the 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox Mustangs. For those of you out there needing to replace a damaged, faded, or missing factory upper intake plaque, then this billet plaque from industry leader SVE is a viable solution. SVE's upper intake plaque is constructed from quality 6061 billet aluminum and features a raw machine finish that will blend well in just about any engine bay. Taking a closer look at the plaque, you'll find that it features beveled edges for a clean look and is precision cut to match the opening in your factory upper intake. Each hole is countersunk, so the provided torque screws sit nice and flush and offers that factory style look. This plaque will fit all 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox bodies equipped with a factory upper intake, of course excluding the Cobra intakes. In the box will be one upper intake plaque and 4 countersunk torque screws. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply loosen and remove the 4 existing screws if they're still there. Remove the intake plaque and then take this time to clean the area. Align the SVE plaque and then install the 4 provided T15 torque screws. Tighten them by hand, and then you're good to go. This plaque from SVE should appeal to the Fox body enthusiasts out there wanting to dress up their engine bay or replace what's already on the car. Now, for the most current pricing and product information on this SVE upper intake plaque, be sure and reference the product page. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.